everyone. So please ignore the way that I look. I just took a long trek to the mailbox and I'm kind of hot and a little bit sweaty and a little bit out of breath. But I wanted to come on here and share something that QVC is doing right now. Their live event for their Beauty with Benefits is on the 25th, which I'm filming this on the 24th, so it's tomorrow. I'm not sure when I'll get a chance to upload it, but hopefully by then. And it's, I believe, in the evening, so if you want to check it out, you can watch it live. So how it works, like I said, there's a page on QVC's website as well as HSN with different products, so check them out. And pretty much the products on that page, if you make any purchase, it doesn't have to have like a specific dollar amount. Shipping for all the products is only $2, and if you make a purchase from that page, you are eligible for the goodie bag, and it's while supplies last. And like I said, the live event is April 25th, so I would assume they would have enough until then. But if you want to double check and make sure, you can ask customer service or message them on Instagram or Facebook or something like that and ask. But I would think that since the event isn't until the 25th, that they would have enough of these goodie bags to last until then. I did order mine, I believe, last Friday, and I got the products today, the 24th, so pretty fast. The product that I ended up purchasing, like I said, if you're not looking at any of those products or interested in any of them, I don't know if it's necessarily worth it. And again, I'll show you what's in the goodie bag. But this I have been looking at and I've been wanting to try for a while. It's from Eve Pearl. This is the blush trio. I thought the set that they had was a really good deal because this blush by itself is $36, which honestly I thought it was going to be a lot bigger than this. It's quite small. It is 9.4 grams or 0.32 US ounces, it says. And the shade that I got is in Sweet Cheeks, and I believe there's 3 different shade options. There's Sassy Cheeks, Sweet Cheeks, and then I forget what the other one is, but this is the one that I picked. It also came with this double-ended fan brush, fan highlighter brush. And what Eve Pearl says to do is you kind of mix the 3 colors together and put them on your cheeks. Maybe I'll try that. I'm not wearing any blush today. I just have a little bit of contour on, but this is what the brush looks like. And this brush by itself on the Eve Pearl website retails for $52. So like I said, this blush is $32, the fan brush is $52. The set together on QVC's website is only $32. So that was a pretty good deal. I thought to be able to try this out and get a good brush. This brush gets a lot of really good reviews. But yeah, that is what I purchased. So this is what the goodie bag looks like. So it comes in this reusable, like a plasticky, canvasy type tote. So you can use it for something. But the products in here are going to vary, but I think there's a lot of products that are the same. But like I said, the value supposedly is at least $208. So you kind of have to like decide for yourself if that's worth it or not, if that's really the value you're getting. But the first thing I got was this Winter Cranberry Mint Cleansing Conditioner. It's a 16 ounce, so it's a full size. It does come with the pump. But I believe this particular scent is discontinued. They maybe brought it back for this event, or this might be old. I really don't know. I can't read the manufacturing dates on this, but I want to say it was 2018, so it's not that bad. But it is still sealed, and I do use Wen. I use Wen on my hair exclusively, and I've been using Wen for the past year now. I used to use I used to use Wen like years ago. I do have a review on that. If you guys want like an update, I can do that. But I started using it again, like I said, a year ago. But this scent is new to me. It is like a seasonal scent. On QVC's website, a 16 ounce retails for $29. On the Wen website, it retails for $40. Again, take it or leave it. I usually only buy them when they have like a set on sale or something. Here's a little tip for you if you use the Wen products. Instead of just like taking the seal off, I always just use the actual pump to like pierce it, and it goes through. And I don't even bother taking off the little foil. I just stick this in and close it up. Oh, this actually smells good. It smells like cranberry and mint. So I'm excited about that. Like I said, it might be an older scent, but I don't mind. It still smells fine, and I will use it. So already, if you're going by like a retail price, that would be around $40 right there. The next like big item in here is from Korres. This is their Sea Lavender Body Butter. This is full size at 7.95 fluid ounces. On the Korres website, this retails for, I believe, $32. So we're already at like $72. And this is from Dermaflash, from the makers of the Dermaflash, like the face shaving thing. This is their Derma Protect Daily Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 50. This is full size. It is 1.6 fluid ounces. On the Dermaflash website, this retails for, I believe, $45. So what are we at now? I can't even think. 45 plus 40 is 85 plus 32 is 117. Am I adding this correctly? I could be wrong. I'll fix it if I am. The next thing in here is from Elemis. This is their Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and I do have a sample of this already, and I did like it. It's an anti-wrinkle day cream. This is just a half a fluid ounce or 15 mils. Full size of this, I believe, is 50 mils for $128. So this size is around like $30-ish. So not bad. And again, it's a good size because you'll be able to try it out and see if you like it or not. It is a very pricey brand, so it's nice to be able to try it first. So those were like the bigger items, I guess. The next few items aren't as like big ticket, if you will. And again, the products vary. I did see a video on their Facebook page of them unboxing one of these goodie bags, and the products were a little bit different. The next thing I have in here is from Moroccan Oil. This is the Moroccan Oil treatment, and I have used this before in the past, and I do like it. This little bottle is so cute. This is 0.5 fluid ounces. It's a really good travel size. For these littler products, I'm not going to break down the prices. I feel like that would just be silly. So you just decide if this is stuff that you would use. That I will use. I love like hair oils and stuff like that. The next thing in here is from Purity Made Simple. I believe a size like this, like you can get like at Ulta for what, like $5 or $7 or something like that. Don't quote me on that. But this is 3 fluid ounces. This has like a cult following. I personally don't really like this cleanser, but my mom really does, so I'm going to give this to her. Again, it's a good size for traveling. The next thing I have is from Skin by Dimitri James, I guess. I haven't tried anything from this brand, I don't think. But this is the Wrinkle Soak Age Defying Hydrating Mask with watermelon extract, and the mask itself is pink, so excited to try that. I do like trying face masks. There's also a sample in here from Skin Fix. I have tried this product before and I do like it. I used to use this at work because I used to wash my hands a lot and my hands would get really dry, and this worked pretty well for me. This is their hand repair cream, and this is clinically proven to treat eczema and dry cracked skin on hands, and this is the 1 fluid ounce. Again, a great size to throw in your purse or bag or whatever. This guy is from Perricone MD, and this is from their Preempt series. This is the Brightening Eye Cream, and this is a 1/4 of a fluid ounce. So technically most eye creams are half a fluid ounce. So this would be half of a full size, which I didn't do the math on this. Usually this brand is pricey, so I'll try to figure it out and I'll annotate the video. There's also the cutest little sample from Josie Marin. This is the Organic Moisturizing Argan Oil, and this is 0.15 fluid ounces. Again, it's super tiny. I'm a sucker for like mini samples. I think this is super cute, but it's argan oil. Next we have a sample from Bare Minerals. This is their Mineral Veil. It doesn't have a size on here, but it's just a little guy. Good for traveling or good to try out if you haven't tried it before. I used to use Bare Minerals like years and years ago. I think it was like in high school or middle school even. So it'll be nice to use it again and see what I think about it. And the last product I have in here, this one I'm actually really excited about. I would say this is a pretty good size sample too. This is from IT Cosmetics, and this is their Superhero Liner, and I actually really like IT Cosmetics products. I think they work really well for me. I really enjoy them, and I love liquid liners with the brush tip applicators. They are my favorite, so I'm excited to try this to see how I like it. It does say that it's waterproof, 24-hour waterproof. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited about this, and like I said, it's a really good size. I think you'll definitely get a few uses out of it. I'll have to see how big the full size one is, but I am excited about that. Actually, there's a couple little things in here. This is from Super Smile. I was hoping, I saw pictures of the goodie bag, and there was a Super Smile teeth whitening pen in there, and I wanted to try that. I've been wanting to try that brand for a while, kind of have seen mixed reviews about it, so I didn't actually purchase it. I was actually on the fence of ordering like the Super Smile set versus the Eve Pearl. I went with the Eve Pearl, but yeah, it would have been nice to get one of those in the bag, but instead I got this tongue cleaner, I guess, and I'm assuming it's like a one-time use. Just looking at the material of it, it looks like just a little like disposable thing, but I guess you just take it and use to scrape your tongue. And the final thing, actually I didn't even mention this whole event is to benefit cancer and careers, and they gave us a little magnet. So I believe 80% of the proceeds from this event will go towards cancer and careers, which is pretty cool. But yeah, those were all the things that were in the Beauty with Benefits goodie bag that I personally received. Like I said, some of the bags will vary, but I think a lot of like the big items, I think you're going to get a Wen cleansing conditioner. I saw that in the pictures. I think the Korres body butter is kind of a given, as well as a couple of other little things. But a few items could change. And like I said, it's while supplies last, but I think it's a really good value if you see something on that page that you already might need or have been wanting to try. I think it's fun to get a goodie bag full of products to try out. After seeing some of the pictures of what could be inside, I knew I was going to use at least a few of those items, and like I said, I wanted to try the Eve Pearl blush anyway, and it was a good value for that set, so I'm happy with the purchase. Also, if you've never purchased from QVC before, this is really cool. You can create an account on there. It's free to create an account, and if you do make a purchase, you can save $10 off your first purchase with the code TAKE10, which is a huge discount. Like I said, if you end up getting the blush, $32, $10 off. It's only $22, $2 shipping plus tax, of course. So I think it's a really good deal. Again, so definitely check it out. I'll link that down in the description box below with the information for when their live event is if you want to watch it on television. So let me know, are you guys going to take advantage of this, or have you already, and have you gotten your goodie bags? I would love to know what you guys got inside. I love this kind of stuff, if you guys haven't been able to tell already. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye!